My name is Katrice Harris. I am from Denver, Colorado. I've been here my whole life. I am a double amputee. In 2013, I underwent open heart surgery, and due to complications, unfortunately, I lost both limbs.
I met Joe Johnson at Quorum and saw his prosthesis, and he's very short, kind of like Katrice, and we went straight to the engineers at Quorum, and they were able to fabricate a socket with a thigh cuff and joints.
It was amazing because Amy was able to link up with Quorum, which made me these amazing 3D printed sockets, and they're so wonderful. No one has ever took the time out to think of an idea like this. And when I say my life has changed within 2 months of me getting with Amy Ginsburg and getting with Quorum, I'm back in therapy. I haven't been mobile for 10 years. I'm finding out who I am, and it's just been a very big blessing to be blessed with people who care.
She's the hardest worker I've ever met. She's got a great physical therapist, and mixed that with a really well-fitting socket, I just think that the sky's the limit for her.